If you were to change the modern education system, how would you change it? Again, this is in the book, The Mode and Mission of Srila Prabhupada. Srila Prabhupada didn't recommend changing the modern education system. He said it should be just closed down. He's specifically talking about the university. He said they should just close them all down. They're just teaching nescience. It's rotten from back to front, top to bottom, inside out. It's all rotten. I'm planning on giving a talk on that during this camp. Just bringing to the forefront how, or to some extent, discussing how demoniac this modern education system is, which purports to do good for people, but it's good within the definition of what demons think is good, which is live your life in ignorance and die in ignorance.